Start by opening the boxes and checking every part against the parts list. The SanRemo is not a greenhouse, it is a solarium that attaches to the wall of your house, so the site matters more than usual. The ground has to be solid, perfectly flat, level, and at a 90-degree angle to the supporting wall. The screws and anchors in the box suit a concrete or tiled floor and wall only. Any other surface needs fasteners that are not supplied. Plan on 2 people and at least half a day. A few safety points. Wear gloves when you slide the panels, and shoes and safety goggles when you handle the extruded aluminum. Never climb or stand on the roof. Do not assemble in windy or wet weather, and check for hidden pipes or cables before you anchor anything. The roof is 8mm polycarbonate, and the walls are 3mm acrylic. The wall profile mounts between 9'4" and 10'2" above the ground, and that height sets the roof angle. The SanRemo is rated to 120 kilometers an hour of wind and 30.7 pounds per square foot of snow, the highest snow rating we carry. The manual is a free download on our website. The SanRemo comes in 3 sizes, 10 by 10, 10 by 14, and 10 by 18, in white or gray. Start a live chat with Canada. Greenhouse Kits and a real person will help you pick. Let's get you growing.